Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to compare Everand and Audible. Everand is a platform where you can enjoy both audiobooks and ebooks, making it a versatile choice for readers and listeners alike. It offers a wide catalog of popular and classic titles, and users can unlock premium books each month. You can read or listen offline, highlight sections, take notes, and adjust playback speed. The app is designed to work smoothly across smartphones, tablets, and desktop devices, giving a seamless experience for study, commuting, or leisure reading. Most users on Trustpilot shared mixed experiences with Everand. Many were frustrated by the new pricing model and found the subscription value unclear. Several people also reported difficulties with the cancellation process. Overall, opinions about the app, service, and user experience vary, with some enjoying the content while others were disappointed. Audible, on the other hand, focuses mainly on audiobooks and has one of the largest libraries available, including exclusive titles, original series, and best-selling books. Subscribers receive monthly credits to purchase audiobooks, and you can build a permanent collection that stays in your library even if you cancel. The app also allows offline listening, speed adjustments, bookmarks, and personalized recommendations based on your listening history. Now let's see what users say about Audible on Trustpilot. Many expressed frustration with subscriptions, cancellations, and payment issues, especially unwanted recurring charges. Several users also reported difficulties contacting customer support to resolve their problems, leaving some disappointed with the overall service. Now let's talk about the pricing, pros, and cons of Everand. Everand costs $11.99 per month for one unlock, or $16.99 per month for 3 unlocks. On the positive side, it gives access to both ebooks and audiobooks, includes an unlimited basic catalog, and has a simple flat fee plan. On the downside, the unlocks per month are limited, there are fewer new releases, and the catalog rotates regularly. Now let's take a look at Audible's pricing, along with its pros and cons. Audible costs $7.95 per month for the Plus plan, or $14.95 per month for Premium Plus with 1 credit. On the positive side, it offers a huge audiobook library, you keep all purchased titles, and the app has excellent features. On the downside, it can be expensive for casual users, credits are limited, and additional purchases cost extra. Overall, Everand is ideal if you want a single platform for both reading and listening, while Audible excels for those who prefer high-quality audiobooks, exclusive content, and a focus on voice-driven experiences. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.